What's up, YouTube? Black Feather Snipes back at you with another video. And as you guys can see, I got a mic to try and help with the audio sounds. As you can see on the screen, the audio mixer, it seems like we're coming across pretty clear. But let me know in the comments after this video. So with that, I'll get into it. Today's crypto that I'm going over is FARMAI. I'll show you guys how I found this. It was on my screener, Mexi. And then I just went to look at the volume 24-hour change. It's up 8,340%. The relative volume was like in the 20s, but it reset because we just started a new day. And as you guys can see, the change right now is 1%, but over the last 24 hours, we were up about 40%. And with that, I'll go to the chart. So that looked good on me. So then that's when I inquired to see further into it. And I went to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, it was in a downtrend, and then we produced an inverted hammer on the weekly, and now we're pressing above that with this candle. And like I said, what we saw from the screener page, we have strong volume on this candle, so that's confirming the inverted hammer candlestick that we received last week. And now we're up at this level right here, and if we push past the previous week's high, which is about, just to be precise, right here at 0.003499. If we pass that level and close above it on the 15-minute candlestick, I would look to trade this to the next high of the next candle, which would be right here. Then if we get past that, I'll trade it to the next high of the next candle. And that's how you want to chart it out. So right now we're at 0.003, and if we just reached 2 candles ago, that would be 0.007, and that would pretty much be a double from where we're at right now at this moment. Just to make it clear, you can also just do this price range from where we're at right now to here. That would be 134% gain, just trading it back to the 2 candlestick highs. One other thing I look for is that, as you guys can see, this is the 5 EMA, so we could see it come back up and retest that 5 EMA before we push further down. So this is just swinging the momentum, but that's almost 135% swing to the upside that you can catch before maybe it starts going back to the prevailing trend, which is down. So then if that looks good, I went to the daily chart just to see if maybe we could get in early. But the daily chart just confirms what we saw on the weekly chart. So this was that weekly high of the last week candle right here, this first horizontal gray line. And as you can see, going all the way back to August 19th, which was a whole month ago, we can see how it reacted at this level. So we closed below it, wick below it, close below, wick, close below, wick right on it, wick right on it, all these closing below. Then we came back here, touched it, closed below, touched it, closed below, touched it, closed below. So really we want to see a close above that candle, and then we're really trading this thing to the upside. And like I said, another price target will be that next horizontal gray line that we charted on the weekly, and you can see how that correlates to a resistance zone on the daily. We can see all these close below, touched it, touched it, touched it, closed below it, touched it. And then even here, we came up here, closed below it, closed back above it, and then we pushed higher. Or really that was in the zone, but you can just see how it pivoted at that point, and then when we closed below it, we went further down. And then the same with this one, you can see the next price target wicked, touched it, came below, touched it, touched it, touched it, and then we push lower. So that's how you just see the price targets on these charts, guys. And that's how you know where I'm getting that from. And like I said, from where it's at right now, that'd be 135% gain. And like I said, so on the daily chart, we closed above the 5 EMA. We're above the 20. The 5 EMA crossed the 20 SMA. So that's good. We produce green candles, heavy volume. So me, given that we closed above it, I would probably get just nap. I'm sorry, I would nibble in it right now, just basically expecting the impending boom on this play. But really, like I said, if you wanted to be conservative, we'll wait to close above this weekly candlestick on the 15-minute chart. So just to go down to the 15-minute, um, you can see how it's pretty much just been consolidating. And then this is the weekly candlestick. So if we get above this and then really conservative, you will wait for it to get above this ADR. If we get above this horizontal line and then start closing candles above this upper ADR, then we're really bullish. And, that's pretty much a really good sign for this play that is going to push to the highs. And really that'd be a great entry for this play. So you can see right now we're on a volume shelf, so that's support. So like I said, I wouldn't mind buying some right now given that. But yeah, that's this play, guys. I went over some price targets, some support resistance level, and also I went over some of the EMAs and SMAs and how they were reacting with each other. But that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with my content and when I post my videos. But that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new microphone. Let me know if it sounds better or if it's gotten worse. But that's it for this video, guys. I'll get back at you later. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.